Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve the Microsoft Store error message 0x000001f4 that you are experiencing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer, and the error message reads try that again. Something happened on our end. Waiting a bit might help, followed by error code. Let's fix it, guys. You just need to go to search menu and type ws reset. Comes up run command. Click on open it. This will reset the Microsoft Store, guys. Wait for it. Hopefully this can fix your problem, guys. If you're still having problem, then you just need to go to search menu and type cmd. Click run as administrator and you just need to select yes. Now in the command prompt window you just need to type sfc space slash scannow, press enter. This is file checking utility scan, guys. This will help you to fix corrupted files in your computer. This problem caused by the corrupted files, guys. So this can help you to fix the problem. You just need to wait. This verification need to get 100%. After finishing this, go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, hopefully your issue has been resolved, guys. That's it for today's video, guys. Give a like and subscribe. Thank you.